ingredients we need is 2 small sized onion. If it is big sized, only 1 chili, green chili, garlic, ginger, tej patta, long, ilachi. Now after heating the oil, we will add 1 tablespoon sugar, and then we will add all the ingredients one after another. It is better if you make the garlic paste and add it to the mixture. Now mix it well in a low flame until it turns a bit red. Now we will add the already fried paneer into the mixture. And yeah, don't forget to add the most important thing, the salt, into the mixture. A little bit red chili powder. Now finally add the washed basmati rice into the mixture and mix it well. At last add 1 cup of water. Mix properly to keep it into the low flame for 5 to 6 minutes. Our paneer pulao is now ready to eat. Looks very yummy. And now we can add some desi cow ghee to add some taste. So just